jump in. Jump in. Jump in. If you ain't afraid, then you ain't chasing nothing. Life is sink or swim, so jump in. My wife is lovely, thank God. My music love me. Music is my baby. Ooh, she drive me crazy. I need her on the daily, like biscuits need gravy. But sometimes I need to unplug and jump on a plane to Haiti. The rhythm play me, so I play it back. She takes me all over the map, soaking in where I'm at. Coconuts and rum, soaking up the sun. Coasting in the Jeep, follow the ocean to my love. Me and my too high crew, past long nights and hard days. When you ain't chasing fame, it's a different ball game. I just wanna play shows and make music, travel the globe and write the soundtrack to it. I think I just woke up from a dream. I think I just woke up from a dream. I think I just woke up from a dream. It was you and me when nobody else believed in me.
I took you all around the world. I took you all around the world with me. Girl, I took you all around the world.
Married to my dreams, making music till they bury me. Rolling in the sheets, she told me to go to sleep. I said, hold up, I'm rolling one up and floating out to sea. She said, oh no, you don't just leave me like that. I said, you're right, cause everywhere I go, my city's on my back. Write some raps, get some plaques, then it's back to the travel light. Was gone for a year, and I'ma leave in another 5. I'll never retire, I simply live on the road. Cause when you love what you do, you never grow old. She gave me hits, and then I hope. Now we spread our babies everywhere we go. Thinking bigger picture brought me round the world with music. My peers may be clueless, but these rappers can be stupid, stupid, stupid. I just might go make a million, give 100K away. I'm the type to feed the children, then get ignorant on the stage. Women love me and I love them back, but not as much as rap. Married to the music, no wonder I'm fucking back. Till I think I just woke up from a dream. I think I just woke up from a dream. I think I just woke up from a dream. It was you and me when nobody else believed in me.
I took you all around the world. I took you all around the world with me. Girl, I took you all around the world.
Married to my dreams, making music till they bury me. Jump in. Jump in. Jump in. If you ain't afraid, then you ain't chasing nothing. Life is sink or swim, so jump in.
Enemy spotted. Oh yeah!
Eyes are open, yeah, closing for nothing. Even when we half it, cause it's where we on to something. Birthday in Brazil, last year I was ill. Heartbroken by my girl, she was numb to how I feel. Now I'm numb to packing bags, numb to tracking time. Guess that's how it happens when you rap all in the sky. One moment I'm on tour, hoes blowing up my ego. Next moment I'm in Rio, pouring potion with my people. Too cool for school, so I graduated. Got a chance to travel, guess I had to take it. Drop an album and it splashes like the fattest anchor. But I was sinking with it and I hadn't even made it yet. Record labels on the phone, I left them all on hold. Did a lap around the globe and went back to record shows. Oh, what's the difference now? I've been a bit around. Not your average rapper trapped in geographical sounds. I'm an honest survivor, thinking 2020 thoughts. Perfect vision planning for 2020 thoughts. Fuck your 5-year plan, I'm on my lifelong.